we're going to use that nostalgic item to make paripoda. We all know how to make the paripoda, but this time we're going to use that thing to grind it rather than the um, mixie or blender. Huh. So that's a grinding stone, and I'm putting the dal, soaked dal. I'm going to put half of it. So that's how you grind it. You can go left or right depending on your dexterity. By the way, she's Katyayani or Ammu with the cameraman Kutta. Not Kotta, Kutta. There you go. Now I'm going to take over because I don't have all day. This is not a proper fit. If you know, you have the hole. This goes in there, but there's a lot of room. Okay. And the depth is not enough. And it's not worn enough for a big rounding. Okay. It comes off. Okay. It should be more deep to make this movement. If you make that movement and if it stays there, it will grind properly. So here's the cameraman trying his best and failing miserably. In English, this is English channel.
I'm going better than both of them.
He thinks he's doing it better, but we all know better, right?
It's grinding properly. Just look at that. See this? It wasn't like this when they did that. Okay? It wasn't like this when they.
That's because we did the initial work. He's just showing what we did. Okay, so this is the dal mixture after adding curry leaves, red chilies, onion, and all of that. You make a ball of this. You flatten it to the shape. There In English, this is English channel.
I'm going better than both of them.
He thinks he's doing it better, but we all know better, right?
It's grinding properly. Just look at that. See this? It wasn't like this when they did that. Okay? It wasn't like this when they both of them did this. Okay? I'm better.
That's because we did the initial work. He's just showing what we did. അവിടെ കുറച്ച് മുളകും പെരിഞ്ചീരവും വെച്ചിട്ടുണ്ട് അതുകൊണ്ട് തന്നെ. So we are going to finish grinding it and then show you the final result. To that, if you have seen my channel before, making the vada, there's fennel seeds, red chilies, green chilies, curry leaves, and small onion that goes in there. So we'll add that, grind it, and then we'll show you the final result.